Students, we must have seen animals and birds eating seeds and fruits. It is interesting to know that these seeds and fruits are produced after fertilization. The ovule forms seeds whereas the ovaries form fruit. So hello everyone, welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic. Students, in this session we'll see the various post-fertilization changes in ovule and flower. Now, to understand these changes, we must know the structure of the ovule. Now, this is the vertical section of anatropous ovule. The central part of the ovule is called as nucellus, which is made up of diploid parenchymatous tissue. It is covered by integument, which has got outer integument and inner integument. The point from where the integument starts is called as chalaza. Now these integuments leave a small opening around the ovule. It is called as micropyle. The stalk of the ovule is called as funicle, whereas the funicle attaches to the ovule at a point called as raphe. The nucellus shows central cell, which is nothing but embryo sac. It shows three cells towards chalaza. They are called as antipodals. The two nuclei in the center are called as secondary nuclei. Similarly, the three cells towards the micropylar end, they are collectively called as egg apparatus, which contain the center egg surrounded by synergids. Now let us see the differences between orthotropous ovule and anatropous ovule. In case of orthotropous ovule, the micropyle and chalaza are in the straight line. Micropyle and chalaza are in the straight line, whereas the funicle is away from the micropyle. In case of orthotropous ovule, ortho means straight. Funicle, chalaza and micropyle, they lie in the straight line. So it is called as orthotropous ovule. Now let us see what are the changes in the ovule and flower after fertilization. These are collectively called as post-fertilization changes. Now, this egg after fertilization forms zygote, which will in turn form the embryo. The secondary nucleus fuses with one male gamete to form TPN, which will form the endosperm. It is triploid in nature. Usually, the synergids and antipodals, they degenerate. The integument forms the testa and tegmen of the seed. That is, outer integument form testa of the seed, whereas inner integument form tegmen of the seed. Students, normally the nucellus is absorbed by developing endosperm, but sometimes it remains as thin layer around the endosperm. It is called as perisperm. Now these terms are very important as far as your competitive exams are concerned. Now this is a structure of carpel which consists of say basal ovary, middle style and upper stigma. This ovary encloses ovules. Now it is interesting to know that ovule forms seeds whereas ovary forms fruit. Students, if you're finding this video interesting, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now this fruit, as we know, is of coconut. It is covered by covering called as pericarp. Students, this pericarp is made up of epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Pericarp, that is epicarp, mesocarp, is fibrous in nature, whereas the part of the coconut which we actually break is called as endocarp. And it is interesting to know that it encloses two types of endosperm, liquid endosperm and solid endosperm. Now this is the structure of flower. What happens with flower after fertilization? So the parts such as calyx, corolla and androecium, they fall off or they are withered out. So to summarize, what will happen? The egg will form the zygote. Secondary nuclei will form the endosperm, that is TPN and their endosperm. Antipodals and synergids, they degenerate. Nucellus is usually absorbed by the developing endosperm, but if it remains, it is called as perisperm. Outer intubent form testa of the seed, whereas inner intubent form tegmen of the seed. Ovule forms seeds, whereas ovary forms fruit. And parts such as androecium, the corolla and calyx, they are degenerating or they are weathered out. So students, I hope you are clear with the post-fertilization changes in ovule and seeds as well as the flowers. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.